key component in any spindle is the bearing. Global brands from Japan, Switzerland, France, and Italy all use NSK and SKF bearings to guarantee the performance of their spindles. HARDY uses the same bearings as these global brands, delivering the same performance and accuracy for you, but at a lower cost. Special purpose machine tools require the very best components for reliable, precise production operations. In this video, I'm going to show you the range of slides and spindles from HARDY in action in customer production environments, so you can see for yourself why so many global customers choose HARDY for their special purpose machine tool component requirements. Tapping and drilling are key applications for any components production operation, and this series of special purpose spindles for tapping and drilling are highly configurable with 360-degree 4-position options for the motor position to suit customer configuration and space requirements. In addition to the motor position, the lead screw is also adjustable to suit the desired drill or thread depth. For customers needing a special drilling head, this multi-spindle drill head option can also easily be fitted with the addition of a special guide on the spindle to maintain accuracy and rigidity. The special purpose boring and milling spindles from HARDY are designed for superb performance and rigidity and incorporate a number of special design features to enhance your productivity. These boring and milling heads are all fully sealed against contaminants with a unique seal design that gives excellent protection and allows these spindles to be used in high volume coolant environments. These boring and milling heads maintain superb accuracy under loading, and each spindle is carefully tested during and after assembly to ensure its precision. As with other spindles, the motor positions can be configured through 360 degrees to suit integration requirements. But with these spindles, there are also two types available. The SR type with standard side fixing bolts and the S-type with a narrower profile and integrated fixing bolts for applications where space is at a premium. For customers with special integration requirements, HARDY also provides the boring and milling head spindles as individual units to give customers the maximum flexibility in their special machine application options. To complete the package, HARDY also provides a full range of slides for customers, with 3 key product ranges available: hydraulic slides, servo-driven slides, and finally the vertical slides that can be either hydraulic or servo-driven. The servo-driven slides use ball screw and linear guideways, delivering not only precise extruded depth control, but also adjustable approach speed, so that you can quickly move the attached spindle into position for cutting, reducing your cutting times and increasing production efficiency. All of the slides deliver superb perpendicularity and are specially tested after assembly to guarantee the precision that they can deliver to customers. The vertical slides offer the same configuration options as the horizontal slides and are also available with hydraulic, servo or manual drive systems. This gives customers the option of vertical milling and boring functionality, and as we can see here, these spindles are highly rigid and can easily handle large milling heads for component milling applications. HARDY has decades of expertise delivering high-precision, highly versatile special-purpose machine units for the manufacturing industry. In this video, you have seen a small selection of their key components ranges and some of their production applications, so that you can see just how customizable and versatile these units are. With their superb quality and wide range of product lines, these spindle and slide units from HARDY are an excellent choice for your production machine applications.